Welcome to Class Act Lifestyle, your go-to hub for mastering the art of living well. Here, we empower you with life-changing skills, practical wisdom, and inspiring ideas to lead a fulfilling lifestyle. Discover a treasure trove of teachings from personal development to health, relationships, finance, and more. Welcome back, folks, to Class Act Lifestyle. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the banking sector and its critical role in the broader economy. Banking is an integral part of our lives, and understanding it is crucial. Looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will be a great starting point. The banking sector encompasses financial institutions, services, and activities related to banking. It plays a fundamental role in the economy by facilitating the flow of money, supporting businesses, and providing services to individuals. It's also closely intertwined with various economic indicators such as gross domestic product. GDP measures a country's economic output. It includes everything produced within a country's borders. When GDP is up, it often indicates a healthy economy. Employment figures. These statistics reflect the number of people employed in various sectors. Banks play a role in job creation, especially through lending to businesses for expansion. Industrial production gauges the output of factories, mines, and utilities. Banks often finance equipment and expansion, influencing industrial growth. Consumer spending measures the expenditures of individuals on goods and services. Banks provide credit, which can stimulate or curb consumer spending. Inflation. It represents the increase in the general price level of goods and services. Central banks, part of the banking sector, manage inflation through monetary policy. Home sales. Statistics show the number of houses sold. Banks offer mortgage loans, making them a key player in the housing market. Home building. This refers to the construction of new homes. Banks finance home builders, affecting housing supply. Construction spending. It tracks the amount spent on construction projects. Banks often provide funding for these projects. Manufacturing demand. Banks support manufacturing by financing equipment purchases and working capital, influencing demand for products. Retail sales. Retail sales measure the purchases made by consumers at various retail establishments. Banks enable these transactions through debit and credit card processing. Effect of economic indicator on the micro and macro economy. Let us take the example of John and see how the above indicators affect on the day-to-day life of a person and its effect on overall economy in the bigger picture. John's everyday life. Meet John, a hardworking individual who manages his household expenses diligently. Inflation has gradually crept into his life, and he's feeling its impact in various ways. The price of groceries has steadily increased, making it harder for him to stick to his monthly budget. His commute to work has become costlier as fuel prices surge, and he's thinking twice before dining out with his family. John's savings in his bank account, while earning some interest, are losing their purchasing power due to inflation. It's a bit like a silent thief, gradually eroding his ability to afford the same lifestyle he once enjoyed. To cope, John is considering asking for a raise at work to keep up with the rising costs, but he knows it won't be easy. The bigger economic picture. Zoom out from John's life and you'll see that he's just one thread in the intricate fabric of the economy. Inflation isn't merely an inconvenience for individuals like John, it's a reflection of larger economic dynamics. When prices rise across the board, it indicates that the currency's value is diminishing. This has far-reaching consequences. Businesses may struggle as they grapple with higher input costs, potentially leading to layoffs or reduced expansion. Central banks may intervene by adjusting interest rates or implementing other monetary policies to curb inflation, but their decisions impact the broader financial system. Investors monitor inflation closely because it can affect the real return on their investments. In essence, inflation is a delicate balancing act, and understanding its impact on everyday life. As seen through John's experiences, helps us grasp the wider economic challenges and responses required to keep the financial system stable and prosperous. Now let's see some fundamental banking services and see how they interact with these economic indicators. Savings account. Savings accounts allow individuals to save money, contributing to overall consumer savings, which affects consumer spending. Checking accounts enable individuals to participate in the economy, making payments and supporting consumer spending. Loans. Bank loans drive various sectors by financing projects, homes and more, impacting employment figures, construction spending and manufacturing demand. Credit cards. Credit cards are a vital tool for consumer spending and can influence retail sales. The dual role of banking, John's financial security and economic growth. John's financial security is closely intertwined with the services provided by the banking sector. Through a savings account, John can accumulate his hard-earned money and earn interest, ensuring that his funds are not only safe but also growing over time. Banking also provides John with access to credit when he needs it, whether for purchasing a home, a car, or handling unexpected expenses. This access to credit allows him to make important investments in his life and smooth out financial bumps along the way. Furthermore, John's interaction with the banking sector isn't just about his individual financial security. It's part of a broader economic ecosystem. When he deposits money in his bank, it becomes a part of the pool from which banks can lend to businesses and individuals. This lending stimulates economic activity, creating jobs and fueling growth. John's use of banking services, such as loans and savings account, plays a vital role in the larger economic picture by contributing to the circulation of money, investment, and overall economic stability. Thus, the relationship between John and his bank is not just about his financial well-being, but also an integral part of the engine that drives economic growth and prosperity. Conclusion. By understanding the banking sector and its connection to these economic indicators, you can gain valuable insights into the broader economic landscape. These interconnected elements play a pivotal role in shaping the financial world. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I'll catch you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.